Stop.
Well, there's an option to show details, which is right here, go to details. If you click on that, then it takes you to the details tab on a given process. I just did that on Chrome a second ago. And so you can see each one of these are tabs that are open. And this is the PID, which is the process ID.
Oh, okay.
And then you also can see anything else that's related. So these are all tied into that. Now, why is a VAS showing up under details on Chrome?
It's an extension.
Right, it's an extension. So I have the Avast extension in Chrome, Avast antivirus extension. Now Excel is tied into that as well, and the reason for that is because there's a plugin there for Chrome that you can use to view spreadsheets, so forth.
What is that? Foxit, whatever, what that word?
Foxit,
Yeah.
that is a PDF printer.
Printer?
Yeah, and it's also it's a PDF editor that you can use from within Chrome to make it a little easier to view PDFs than normal rendering the way that version that it's on there. And then you see a bunch of other stuff, and we're going to get into the registry and all that stuff later. Okay.
Regulate.
I see one thing right here. Someone tell me this is showing that 6:13. I think we're
It's at
probably should have
12.
gotten out already.
It's 12. I wouldn't be here if it was 6.
It's only 4:45.
So what's the problem?
CMOS battery.
Is the minute correct?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The minute is
Yeah.
Time zone?
How do we
Time
change that?
time zone.
It's just windy.
You go to a control panel, right?
Adjust.
Ooh,
See what adjust time of day.
Go to control panel, I think.
Adjust time of day.
Right, yeah. Oh, there you go. I was thinking about Windows 7, yeah, it's Windows 10, yeah.
Go down. Scroll down.
Okay.
Time zones is Central Time. What's the protocol that is going to be used to update this when it next syncs with the Microsoft Time Server?
NTP.
Good. I know you've been through this network.
What was the question again?
What is the protocol used to update the time once it next syncs with Microsoft's Time Server? It's NTP, Network Time Protocol. It's also very important in security for things like one-time password tokens and stuff like that. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at the performance monitor. Okay, so performance monitor, this is really, you're looking at viewing system performance data either in real time or from a log file. There's also a resource monitor that you can use. On the resource monitor, we can see in terms of our CPU. So over here, if we're looking at CPUs, it's going to show us 8 of them. Why is it showing us 8 of them?
How many cores?
There's not 8 cores.
8 threads.
Right. It's the CPU is a 3770, so that means that it's an i7 3770. So it's got 4 cores and 8 threads.
Yeah.
Each of those clocked between 3.4 and 3.9 gigahertz. And so right now we're really only using 1 thread, and there's a little bit of activity on some of the other ones. So memory, we can look at that. We can look at some of the things about, so we've got a little over 4 gigs of memory in use, a little bit over 28 gigs of memory available. And then processes with current disk activity. And we can look at our network utilization. Right now we're not doing anything. And we do have some network I/O going on, and when we get into Wireshark and the Network Plus, unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, we're lucky to have Marco, but only about half of y'all will be with me in the Network Plus. The other half will be with Marco. We're having to split the class in two because of the fact that it's too big. It's only been budgeted for, I think, 16. So we're gonna have to figure out how to split the class. In that regard. But when we get into Wireshark, we'll take a look at on how to examine packets in Wireshark, so you can see, why do we have 19 kilobits per